In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a fantastic low impact exercise, which is marches on the spot with opposite hand reaches. So this is a fantastic exercise for those looking to warm up, or alternatively, those looking for a low impact exercise to burn calories with upper and lower body movement. There's a little bit of balance in this one, so if you are doing it and you're worried about your balance, you can always have yourself to the side of you having a wall or something that you can grab onto should you need it during this exercise. So opposing reaches means to reach in the opposite direction of the knee coming up. So if my left knee came up, I'll be reaching to my left and my right to my right with my opposite side. So left comes up, right arm comes out diagonal. And if my right leg comes up, my left arm comes out diagonal as well. So I'm reaching across the knee that is coming up into that 90-degree hip flexion position. So that would look like once you get better at it, you can start doing it faster. You can do this for seconds, repetitions, and whatever you do, of course, make sure that it is under a slow, controlled manner first, and then start to up the speed as you get more confident. Don't just go gung-ho straight into it. That's how to work your upper and lower body at the same time with a low impact exercise known as high knee marches with opposing hand reach.